Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel, and today I am sharing with you guys my DIY at home facial routine from A to Z. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you guys pretty much what I do, the different types of products I use, and how those products change based on what my skin needs. So today we're actually gonna do my detoxify and hydrate routine, which is for when my skin is looking a little bit dull, not just dull, but like actually like just feeling dehydrated, which it has been the last couple of weeks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I also wanted to show you, like, you know, my little setup, because for me this is a self-care moment as well. It is not just about the skin, but it's just about me doing some me time, and enjoying that me time and just feeling good like all over while I'm doing it. I usually have some music playing in the background, but of course I'm not trying to get demonetized. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. It allows other people who enjoy this type of content to see it. So yeah, let's jump right in. I wanted to give you a close-up of my skin so you can see what it's doing right now. I'm not sure if you can tell. I can tell, but my skin is currently a little bit on the dull side. It's a bit dry, it looks a bit dehydrated. I'll come closer. Okay, it's a little dehydrated, like just a tad. I mentioned that I do have two types of facials that I alternate between. So I do an exfoliating facial, which is the one where I tend to use like my acids, so my peels, my AHAs, my BHAs, and then I have my detox and hydrate, which is what we're doing today. We're going detox and hydrate. I'm also going to do some extraction, and I'm going to show you guys all of that good stuff. Also, shout out to Teami blends for sponsoring today's video. I will be using a couple of their all natural skincare products, so when I get to them I will talk about them in depth. So I've already cleansed my skin, and to cleanse my skin I used my ordinary Squalane cleanser, which is more of an oil based cleanser. It's like a balmy texture. It's basically not a foaming cleanser, so I did that because this is all about moisture being imparted back into the skin. So I didn't want to use a foaming cleanser. However, in my other routine I usually go ahead and use a foaming cleanser. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn on the steamer and I'm going to start steaming my face, and then I'm going to follow that up with my first mask. So after about 5 minutes of just letting my face steam, I then start the process of extraction. I got these extraction tools actually with my facial steamer. Yeah. So this is what I use, and what I like to do is I like to just go in and get rid of any like whiteheads on my nose, because I do have an oily T-zone. I do get like whiteheads here, and if left alone they turn into blackheads. I also get some whiteheads here, and sometimes I just get like some random like blackheads. So I'm gonna go in and try to extract all of those, and I'm gonna show you guys because I really like enjoy watching extractions, so I figured why not.
phezulu, wanesutando
So after the extraction, I'm now going to go in and apply my face mask. I'll be using the Teami Detox mask, which is a green tea blend with matcha, lemongrass and clay in it. So most of us know about Teami because of their detox teas. I know that's how I originally discovered them, but they do have a line of all natural skincare products, cruelty free, all natural, vegan, delicious more importantly, and I've absolutely been loving it. I've actually used this, or I use this in the course of the week, and I like the results that it gives me. And today, because I am doing like a proper detox and hydrate, I'm going with this one. And I've just got some water, so I'm gonna lightly dampen my face before applying the mask. Look how red my nose is. I feel like it's swelled from all the deep cleaning. But yeah, dampen my skin lightly, and then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply it with my wild seed mask brush. So for today's routine, we're actually going to be using 2 types of face mask. I mean, is it really a facial if we're only using one? No. So I'm using 2. So the first one is this detox mask, and then we're going to follow that up with a brightening mask as well, because, you know, it goes with the glow. So just to brighten the skin up a little bit and hydrate. I love the way this mask smells, and I like that it doesn't dry out the skin when you wash it off. That's what it's all about. So I make sure to really get my T-zone, so especially up here. And then you always want to avoid the contour of your eye, even though I just got some there. But I like to keep this on for about 15 minutes. And the thing with clay mask actually is once they dry, they've stopped working. So sometimes I do like to just keep the steam on it for a while, just to keep it moist and make sure that it's still working for like a slightly longer duration. I think when it comes to self-care, sometimes we feel guilty for doing it, but I think personally it's just because that there are like almost 2 sides to self-care. There's the more indulgent side, and then there's the side where it's less you, more something else, but also you. Like in a roundabout way, it's like you still reap the goodness of it. So I think when we approach self-care in like a more holistic viewpoint, you know, all round, not just like in one vertical, but in loads of different verticals across your life, it's just really rewarding. So if you're interested, do check out my self-care videos. I think I've got like maybe 2 or 3. I will link them, but I just do think that it's really important to find a good balance for self. You know what I mean? Guys, I just realized that my camera wasn't even on. My camera wasn't on, but I applied my Antipodes Halo Brightening Mask on my face. Able to see that? And I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes as well. I'm actually so glad that I just realized the camera wasn't on, because we would have missed out on that. But this is a brightening clay mask, and I feel like it adds like another layer on top of using my Teami detox mask. And as you guys know, we're just going for like ultimate hydration, glowy, dewy skin, and this is perfect for that. All of these steps work together, guys. Don't skip it, trust me. I feel like whenever I do my facial, I like to do a multi-mask facial. I feel like it gives me the best results. Yeah, so we're gonna leave this for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off, and then we're gonna go in with our serums and we're gonna layer, we're gonna massage, we're gonna tone and all them good things. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Buffet by The Ordinary, which is a multi-peptide serum. The next thing I go in with is my Ordinary Niacinamide and Zinc serum. And with all my serums, I just like to bring it down to my neck, as well as my décolletage. Okay, so then I'm going to leave that to sit. I'm going to apply some lip balm. This is my favorite lip balm to use for when my lips need a real intense lip action, and it's just the Aquaphor Healing Ointment. So I'm going to go in with my final step, or what would usually be my final step, which is a hydration mask. So this is an overnight mask that you use overnight. This is the Teami overnight sleep mask hydration treatment, and this also has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid because we're doing hydration today. And when I do my facials, I actually prefer to always finish off with an overnight treatment. So it's either I'm using an overnight moisturizer, overnight treatment, whatever the case is. I like to use something that is specifically designed for overnight use, and the main reason is that it's more like nutrient and active dense. It's designed to work over a longer period of time, so the actives in there take longer to like settle into the skin. It's usually richer, and it's made to really like plump and juice the skin. Okay, so that's what I like to finish off with. I feel like a lot is done when you do a facial, especially with the steamer. You're steaming, you really do need to put like a lot of moisture back into the skin with the steaming, which can be drying depending on your skin type. So it's like a jelly cream rather than an emulsion, and I feel like it just sits on the skin really well to deliver the goodness, and it smells amazing. It smells really good, and like all the other Teami products, it is 100% natural and free from all the nasties. So as always, I like to bring it down, and I also use this opportunity to give myself a facial massage. And because this is on the slightly like more dense side, it really has a nice skin feel. I'm able to move the product on the skin really easily. And I like to be extra generous with it. So yeah, like I said, even though it's not nighttime, this is my preferred approach to a facial, to end in a facial. Okay guys, so that is it for my DIY detox and hydration facial routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you can see the difference in my skin from now as opposed to the beginning. Thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you in my next one.